doing something using this wood tool. So let's see what it's gonna look like after So the snow just started, guys, and I'm gonna go check my snow cave. So I can't wait to see all this tarp covered with snow. See, there's some snow here. So this is gonna be my snow cave. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put some like maybe bed like inside. So yesterday I put up some pallets, wood pallets here before the snowstorm, and now this is what it looks like. I have a snow cave. Oh, it's so pretty, and my dogs are playing. It's kind of cool. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome to my snow. Welcome to my snow. I'm gonna add more. It's almost done. It's pallets. So ayan na guys. Ready for occupancy na ang aking munting iglo. Aking munting iglo using wood pallets, 3 wood pallets and a tarp and a bunch of snow. Ganito ako magbahay-bahayan dito sa Amerika. Ayan. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my igloo. So this is gonna be my cave, like a woman cave. Oh, welcome. Here's my Bailey. Welcome. You wanna come in? Huh? Welcome to my igloo. So, hindi siya malamig dito, guys. It's not cold here actually. I have some fancy lights. Oh, there are some that don't work. No. Don't do that. Don't touch it. Welcome guys. So, ito na yung igloo ko. I'm so happy of what I did. It's so worth it. So I think I'm gonna enjoy hanging out here, drinking my tea and just relaxing and contemplating about things. It's so quiet and peaceful. But I can't believe I made it. I used 3 pallets, 3 wood pallets for this one, and I covered it with a tarp before the snowstorm, and then I added more snow on top, and this is it. Welcome. So happy. You wanna come in? Do you wanna come in? Oh my goodness, I can hang out with my dog. Come on, Charlie.